fellow YouTubers, and the last video I did, Arlo said it was not likely that he would be here again. And take a look around, he's not here. So, today we are reviewing, well, a few sets. The first one is the Lego movie, Metalbeard's Duel. The age is 8 to 14, and it is 412 pieces. And it comes with Frank the Foreman, which is this construction worker, Robo-SWAT, and a Skeletron. And then here it shows them battling. And this is a treasure chest that he has cannons, the shark, the micromanager, and then just something. And it comes with 3 bags, I think. And this is the instruction booklet. I've already opened the box. So before I get to Metalbeard or the Micro Machine, first I'm going to show you the minifigures. First, we have Frank the Foreman. He has a construction outfit and a hard hat and a beard. And then we have the Robo-SWAT. It has like a police helmet and a visor. On the back it has a walkie-talkie, and his torso and legs are really detailed, and he comes with a gun. Since I have a lot of lightsaber hilts, I might put one in that spot. And then last we have the Skeletron. He just looks like a zombie. He just looks like Bones, just with a mechanical head. And the arms are kind of like the arms for the battle droid. And this one doesn't have that much detailing, but he has a lot of detailing on the head, because that's all they can fit. And then we get a lot of these pieces. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. And then, so first we have the micromanager. His feet, first, when I wanted him to stand up, it was very frustrating to get his feet into the right position. And then these can bend. And he has toes that can move in and out. And he has like these 3 red eye things and some decoration. And he has a wheel that I'm going to show you later. And then he has these little pop-out missiles. All you do is you have to put your finger under and then pull it out. He has them on both sides. And then to put them up, you just do that. And then his claws can bend like that. And you can fit Frank the Foreman in one of the claws. And then this wheel, you can open up, not take apart. And you get a little compartment. And then I like to put the Robo-SWAT in there. We accidentally built the seat the wrong way, but I like it how it is. And then I just fit the gun in there. That wheel pops off a lot of times, so I'm just warning you. So that's the micromanager. And then finally, the one you've been waiting for, we have Metalbeard. What was that? Cannonball. Nothing you need to know about. He's very complex to build. I think I'm going to start on the back. he has this like 2 flag. That happens every time. He has this flag, 2 flags, and a little parrot. Parrot there. And then he has a sword. This is the blade, that's something. And this is the hilt which fell off. It goes right there. I'm going to take it off for now. And then we have this anchor attached to a chain that goes around the other side. And it can swing up and down. And you can also take it off. And now let's go to the front of this. Here we have his metal beard. Here we have a head and his pirate hat. And then we have a little flame. And then here we have an arm, a winder thingy. These are 2 cannons, and to fire, you just pull back and release. But just don't pull back and release too fast, because then it won't fire. You have to pull back for a few seconds. And then here we have a wheel that holds bullets. And then here we have a keyhole and a treasure chest that you can just open. And inside there's 2 bones and a sausage. And then on the other side, we have hands. We have a hand that can actually hold the sword, but I'm not going to put it right there. You can basically the only way you can hold the sword is up like that. If you hold it sideways, the weight of the blade will topple it over. And then we have a little scope here, and something that like generals wear. I have no idea. And then we have this little wheel. And then we have this other foot. It has binoculars, a gun, something. And then we have this foot, which I think is really cool. And then this I like to pretend is a cannon, but you can pretend it's whatever you want. And then this peg leg over here, it's really weird because you actually use a barrel and then a little like ball. You can move the leg back and forward. And if you want to stand him up, you have to sort of hold one leg. And then I have no idea what this is on top. Maybe it's just an ice cream shooter. So anytime he wants to, he can reach up and get some ice cream on a hot summer day. And then, well, that's basically all the features of him. And my favorite part about this is that you can he falls over a lot, so beware of that if you have this. You can like literally grab it, and then maybe I'm gonna fire this chain and see how it goes.
No.
That was awesome. And with the balls, the actual bullets, it actually shoots a pretty good range. So that's something I like about this. What I also like is that you can actually fit people in the micromanager's claws. And I really like how well Frank the Foreman's shirt is detailed. So that's basically it. So thanks for watching the review on Metalbeard's Duel. And then you can just play with this. And remember, if you want to move him into a position with his feet, you're going to have to hold that foot. So that's the end of that. Bye. See you later.